This is the preset tab, which taps every, I believe, 5 or 10 spaces. What you saw just now, this is the paper release, and it also raises the paper bail. This is the carriage release lever. There's two of it. This is the ratchet release. If you put it, it will ratchet, and here it will free up, so you can move your page without any ratcheting. If you are filling a form, this is a line spacer. You see one line, 1.5 and 2 spaces. This is the usual carriage lever. This is all metal. You can see this is 12 characters per inch machine, elite font, and it is hardly dirty. Of course, this is after cleaning, but it came to me very, very clean, despite I believe this is from 1970s. This is a Predom with brown keys. This is a complete keyboard, but it lacks the exclamation mark, and it has a number 1. This is a carriage lock. If you push it here, let it raise, this is ready for locking. Release your carriage, and you hear a click, and it is locked. You cannot move it. To release it, press this lever here and push it forward, and the carriage is clear again. This is a very solid machine, comes with a leather case, and it is marked at the back that this is a polished product. Let me show you. There, made in Poland. It has a paper support, which is spring loaded. Basic pinch and move margins, and a paper, I think it's a paper holder or paper set. Very basic but complete machine.